Good morning. Today I made this cute, simple happy birthday card with the flowers and the butterflies, and I'm going to show you how to make it. I've got everything pre-cut and ready to go so we can keep this really simple and short. Here's my white cardstock. Here's a very fun color for my first mat. And I'm going to go ahead and just get that adhered down. Like that, and then I used this embossing folder and ran it through here, which I have it ready to go, but I ran it through here in my Sizzix machine, and then I'm going to go ahead and adhere this one. Like this. Okay, and let's see. I have this adorable little fence and butterfly, and I wanted just the butterfly, so I went ahead and used 3 coordinating colors to match, and I ran them through and just cut off the little butterfly, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get those glued on here, and you can just put them anywhere you feel like putting them. Just make sure they stay down. They're gonna look adorable fluttering around anywhere on your card, so. And look, this one is missing. I did a terrible job there. I cut off too much, but I have said this a million times before, imperfect is perfect in my world, because if it was perfect, it would have run through a machine, and we don't do machines. Everything here is handmade. So that's that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, of course, yeah, I'm sticking with old favorite here. You can use any color ink you like to stamp. And if you were smart, you would have stamped first. I didn't. Just to make sure you get a nice clean stamp before you put it all together, but it works out just fine. I tend not to do things in order, so there's that. And then I'm gonna finish it off with just a little tie here to make it look oh so cute. And this is just some basic baker's twine. And I'll list all the products that I used and everything below. You can cut it to fit and cut off any extra. And there you go. Adorable, adorable. Isn't it so cute? Yeah, of course I'm thinking spring. But anyways, that's it. All the products will be below. And of course, as always, if you don't want to make it yourself, reach out and you can buy it from me. Thanks.